Number 18, use synthetic division to decide whether the given number k is a zero of the given polynomial function. And so we've been given 1/2 and we're asked to determine if 1/2 is a zero of the function f of x equals 2x to the fourth plus 7x cubed minus 4x plus 1. All right, so we're going to use 1/2 with our synthetic division here. And as always, we need to check to make sure we're in descending order of powers and that we're not missing any terms. So here we go from 4 to 3 to 1 to none, to 0, our constant. So we are missing a term. So let's go ahead, rewrite our given polynomial, filling in that missing term. And we're missing x squared, aren't we? So we have 2x to the fourth plus 7x cubed. We'll fill in plus 0x squared minus 4x plus 1. And now we can see we go from 4 to 3 to 2 to 1 to none, the constant. So we're in good shape. Now that we have all of our terms, let's fill in our coefficients. So the coefficient of our x to the fourth term is 2, and then we'll have 7, then 0, -4, and lastly positive 1. So we know that whatever this first number is with synthetic division, we always bring down. All right, let's multiply 1/2 times 2. And my recommendation, I know it's tempting to go ahead and reach for your calculator, but really try to do these off to the side with pencil and paper. And for most of these, you will probably be able to do them in your head. When we're multiplying by 1/2, all we're doing is we're asking, what is half of positive 2? Well, half of positive 2 is simply positive 1. We're going to add vertically, so 7 plus 1 is 8. And again, 1/2 times 8 is simply asking, what's half of positive 8? Well, half of positive 8 is positive 4. Again, add vertically, so 0 plus 4 is 4. 1/2 times 4, simply asking, what's half of positive 4? Well, half of positive 4 is positive 2. If we add vertically, -4 plus 2 is -2. 1/2 times -2, simply what's 1/2? What's half of -2? Well, that's -1. And then again, if we add vertically, 1 plus -1 is 0. When you get a 0 for your remainder, you can say, yes, 1/2 is a 0 for the given polynomial. If we got some other remainder, if we got 5, for example, or -13, or 26, or something else other than 0, then 1/2 is not a 0. And all that means is that if you were to graph this polynomial, even on your calculator, you would see that at the point, at the x value 1/2, the function value is 0. All right, but in this case, number 18, yes, 1/2 is a 0 of the given polynomial.